I hope you will find and always be happy in your life. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos I will show you trendy makeup and hairstyle ideas all over the world which make you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest makeup and hairstyle ideas friends, then watch my video till the end friends. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, you will be notified by my new videos. As you guys all know, makeup is mainly being used to change or enhance the way we look, to feel more confident, and also to hide our imperfections. Makeup can be termed as cosmetic device that is used to prettify or add color to your face. On the other hand, makeup can give us a confidence boost. A lot of us feel we look our best when we have got a full face of makeup on. It helps us define features that would not otherwise be prominent without makeup. Guys, watch my video till the end so that you do not miss any makeup and hairstyle ideas, and if you want to get this look, take a screenshot of a makeup look or hairstyle look or hair color which you want. By saving the picture, you can easily get this makeup look any salons. After watching the video, you must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my video, my channel, and suggest to me some good ideas for makeup and hairstyles which you want. I will be very happy to follow your comments and I will make a video for you. Thank you so much guys for trusting me. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you like my video, share my videos on your social media accounts. Share it with your friends so that they can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing videos and get amazing ideas for makeup and hairstyle. I will continue making more informative videos. Guys, please watch and support videos. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon, you will be notified by my new videos, and share them with your family members and friends. Every woman wants to look her best, but it is often tough. This is where makeup can come in handy. A woman can use makeup to look outstanding and inviting. Best of all, makeup can enhance many of the natural features that a woman has. A good blush can help to make the prominent cheeks a little more noticeable and dynamic in style. The most important reasons to wear makeup is that it makes you feel more confident. You will find that makeup can help you feel more confident, i.e., girls with makeup will be more confident and ready to take on the day. This added sense of control is a necessity for giving you the positive attitude that you deserve when you're heading out in the world. It's for makeup artists who are looking for the next level edge their careers. In this video you will learn the most recent and advanced international makeup techniques and concepts for you to become highly demanded in your market. It's an opportunity for you to learn from renowned global makeup educator. Makeup is all about having a bit of extra fun in your life. You surely do not want to go insane from all that work you are putting in every day. Therefore, adding a bit of makeup benefits you to look better and more confident. You can use makeup to look best in photos. Sometimes the natural features on your face will not be all that noticeable. But with makeup, you can add a brighter look to your face and produce a good style that adds a nice touch all around and helps you to look your best for the camera. There are many benefits of makeup and has become a necessity in our daily routine. Cosmetics helps in enhancing our look. There are many additional aspects and benefits of makeup that deserve to be noticed. If you want to see the latest makeup and hairstyle ideas friends, then watch my video till the end friends. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, you will be notified by my new videos. That's all in this video. See you guys in the next video. Take care, bye. I hope you will find and always be happy in your life. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos I will show you trendy makeup and hairstyle ideas all over the world which make you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest makeup and hairstyle ideas friends, then watch my video till the end friends. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, you will be notified by my new videos. As you guys all know, makeup is mainly being used to change or enhance